Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to fix Brawlhalla crashing on PC. You don't need to download any third-party programs. Follow all the steps and watch the full video. First, let's verify the game files. Open Steam. Go to your library. Find Brawlhalla. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check the game files and replace any missing or corrupted files. Once it's finished, launch Brawlhalla and check if the crashing is fixed. If the game is still crashing, let's disable the Steam overlay. Right-click Brawlhalla in your Steam library. Select Properties. Under the General tab, turn off Enable the Steam overlay while in game. Then launch the game again. If you're still having problems, the next step is to update your graphics driver. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds a newer driver, install it. Then restart your PC. Another thing you can try is running Brawlhalla as administrator. Right-click the Brawlhalla shortcut. Select Properties. Go to Compatibility. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Then launch Brawlhalla again and check if the crashing is fixed. Hopefully, one of these methods fixes the crashing problem. If you're still facing an error, let us know in the comments and we'll guide you. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more gaming fixes. Thanks for watching.